IMFA is India's largest fully integrated producer of ferroalloys. 190 MVA installed furnace capacity, backed up by 262.5 megawatt captive power generation and 2 chrome ore mines. One is open cast mines, that is Sukinda mines, and other Mahagiri mines is having distinction of the first and only underground mines in Sukinda chrome region. One decline and a vertical shaft are accesses to the mine for movement of main and machinery. These also serve as intake and return airways for ventilation.
We take utmost care of the safety, health and environment of the people. So we believe in safety first and production must.
To maximize the ore production from underground, economical and mechanized methods of ore tramming and stoping are in practice. Blast hole stoping with cemented backfilling is the stoping method. ROM generated after blasting is transported to the surface from underground by LHT and LPDT combination. The ROM is fed to the 60 TPH crusher to get the desirable size of ore. Concrete stackyard is used for stacking and for the final dispatch of the finished product. In underground mines, stability of rock is of utmost concern for mine management. The behavior of strata of footwall, hang wall and crown of the stope is monitored on real-time basis by installing load cell, stress cell and borehole extensometer. Scientific agencies are regularly collaborating for understanding the rock behavior. Stope voids created by blasting are being filled by cement and sand mixed slurry by hydraulic filling. Ventisim software is in use for ventilation planning. The adequacy of ventilation of workplace environment is ensured by ventilation survey twice in a month. Noise, illumination and dust survey is also carried out at regular interval. To minimize dust generation and to ensure healthiness of workers, wet drilling is practiced by drill jumbo, DTH drill machine and long hole drill machines.
IMFA is committed for safe and healthy production. We follow safe practices and we provide such a workplace environment that worker feels safe and secure while at work.
For separation of fugitive dust at the point of generation on surface roads and crusher, stationary and movable mist cannon, fixed water sprinkler and dry frog system are in use. Automatic water sprinkler is used for separation of dust in decline. One rescue room is established and maintained with all required rescue apparatus and rescue trained persons to meet the emergency. First aid stations are provided at various locations in underground and surface. A well-equipped ambulance is also kept ready for expeditiously transport of persons from mines to dispensary. Transportation of manpower to working place is facilitated through man winding from vertical shaft and through a utility vehicle specially designed for underground. 450 kilowatt double drum winder is equipped with all required safety devices for fail-proof system for man winding. Very sensitive and effective early streamer emission type lightning arrestor has been provided for the safety of man and machinery. Lockout and tagout system is in practice for positive isolation of electric power. Underground heavy earth-moving machinery are provided with required safety features as per guidelines of DGMS. These equipments are ergonomically designed for use in underground. All mineral dispatch vehicles are routed through automatic wheel washing unit for cleaning of tire dust to ensure no pollution on public road. Workers' participation is ensured by pit safety committee meeting and safety mass meeting every month. Rewards are instituted for best safe worker and for reporting near miss. Toolbox talks are conducted to educate employees related to HSE and other safe practices. Well-equipped dispensary is established to take care of health of employees and nearby villagers.
We have been taking safety as our prime importance because mining is a very volatile subject. Mining does change every day, so there you could have a different mechanism, different situation to handle every moment. So safe practices are very important, and we try to give this kind of culture to all our people. It will be evident from our numerous safety awards that we have got as a company. Way back from 1999 onwards, where state awards, the central awards and regional awards, within the intra-mines and inter-mines awards, we have enough of practices to make them competitive enough to fight for safe practices. Thank you.
IMFA believes in providing a safe and healthy working environment by adopting proactive measures and complying with all applicable rules and regulations.